good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions. Beats and Feast, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, it's starting to get that summer vibe, so we're going to do another salad. I'm going to do a chicken pasta salad. I mean, it's real flavorful. Basically a pasta salad added chicken. But the chicken that I did is what we call a beer can chicken. I've already done a video for it. I'll post it up here so you can go check it out. But, hey guys, if you like the video, do me a favor. Just go down below and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the chicken pasta salad. Alright guys, so the supporting cast, pretty simple. Now a lot of what I'm putting into this salad is my own choice. You can put whatever you want to in this. I mean, it's wide open. You can do whatever you want. But let me go through my ingredients. I'm using some bow tie pasta. I don't know why I chose this. It's just what I wanted to use. You can use any kind of pasta you want to. Let me move this out of the way so you can see the other ingredients. Got a little corn here, some celery, some onion, some red bell pepper, and some cubed up mild cheddar cheese. And of course, it's called a chicken pasta salad. So here's my chicken. I've already cut up, cubed up. Now, like I said, this is a beer can chicken that I roasted on the grill, and I'll tag the video up here at the top so you can see how to make that. But you do that, you know, do that a day ahead of time, a couple days ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, and then rip the chicken apart, and you got some beer can chicken. Seasonings, well, let's just say the sauce or the ingredients is going in. I'm using some Duke's mayonnaise because I like that tang that Duke's gives. Some regular yellow mustard, salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of slap your mama in this, and just some parsley. That's all the ingredients I'm going to put in here. Only thing we got to do is put this together. Easy salad, but it's going to be really flavorful. Alright guys, I did forget one ingredient. I do apologize for that. I don't know why I forgot this. But I'm also going to be putting in some sweet relish. You can use dill relish if you don't like the sweet, but that's what I'm using. So let's get started putting this together. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise so I can incorporate the ingredients a little bit. So as I go through the process, I'll probably put more mayonnaise in than what I'm showing now. But just to get started, this is what I'm putting in. We're going to mix this up here, get it nicely incorporated. And there's no order to how you can do this. I like to start with the mayonnaise just so I can get things mixed together. Alright, next thing I'm going to go in with my pickle relish. Forgive my arm. I might add a little bit more to that. But right now, that's what I'm going with. Yeah, I can tell you I'm probably going to add a little bit more pickle relish than that. But that's what we're going with right now. I'm going to add my onion, my bell pepper, and my celery. Colors are nice. Colors are real nice. Get that incorporated. Mix it up real good. So I'm going to add a little bit more relish to this. I like the sweet relish. Like I said, you can use dill if you don't like it. But a little bit more relish. I'm going to add some just regular old plain yellow mustard. Give it that vinegar and tangy flavor along with the mayonnaise. We're going to go ahead and add our cheese. We're going to mix that up together. Like I said, all these ingredients are totally up to you. It's just a nice festive seasonal salad. I like cheese in my salads, whether it's shredded or cubed, it's up to you. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add our corn. We're going to add a little chicken. We'll probably add a little bit more as we go. Add to some of our chicken. I'm going to switch spoons here. Get this incorporated. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Colors are great. Okay. I haven't put any seasoning in this at all, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste. You should always taste your salad as you go along. I know it's not going to taste like much because it doesn't have seasoning. Well, that Duke's give it a tanginess, boy. I'm going to add a little bit more chicken. Let's mix that up a little bit. So when I add my seasoning, it's not right on top of the chicken. Now that chicken being smoked on the grill definitely gives it a smoky flavor. So if you don't want that, go ahead and cook your chicken in the oven. Alright, let's go on with some seasoning. Start with some pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper. Gonna go in with the slap your mama, give it that down south southern taste, and feel a little bit of heat to it. Doesn't have a lot. And we'll hit it with a little bit of parsley. Alright, we're gonna stir this up and we'll give it another taste test. See where we're at. Alright, give me another minute. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's give it another taste. Get a bite of chicken in there as well. There it is. So important to taste your stuff as you go along. I don't need to add anything else. I'm going to plate this up for you. We got a nice chicken pasta salad. There you go. Good old homemade chicken pasta salad. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm always waiting for that bite. But hey guys, give me a second. Let me get that. Let me get a little piece of chicken in here. Ooh, some pasta. A little bit of everything. Boy, you set that in the refrigerator, let it get nice and cold on a hot summer day. Man, you got yourself just a meal in itself. But hey guys, if you like this video and this is going to be one of your staples, do me a favor. Just go down below, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.